Assalamu alaikum. Today we are starting Excel course for beginners and then intermediate and for expert, and after that we will start VBA, Visual Basic for Application. Why do most programmers work in MS Excel? Why should developers use Excel? Is it really worth? Why most programmers use Excel as a way to extract data and sometimes interchange data? Excel is a soft processor. It's a complete hardware and operating system for the programmers. That is a big secret of the industry. That most software architect and senior programmers utilizes the Excel for all the mathematical operations to be utilized inside the architecture. In almost any industry, Excel is a fantastic tool for rapid prototyping and automation. Even in organizations that have a proper research and development team, nothing beats the ability to work alongside a business user with a spreadsheet to capture and apply important business knowledge, workflow, and algorithms in real time. Developers have the opportunity to quickly produce tools with a familiar interface and easily identifiable logic to help users identify their needs and preferences. When you open a workbook in Excel, you will be working in a surprisingly dense interface with a lot of different parts. In this lesson, we will take high-level run through the Excel interface to get you up to speed the most important parts. Let's take a look. Here we have some templates, but we will start with a blank workbook. This is the blank workbook. This is a quick access toolbar. And this is status bar. Ribbon. Name box. Very important. Formula bar. Cells. Active cell. You can add more sheets by clicking this button, and this is the sheet tab. Horizontal scroll bar. Vertical scroll bar. Menus. This is the interface of Excel. And these are columns A, B, C, D, E, F. These are the columns 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are rows. This is the name box. Our active cell is at G8 and it is showing in name box. It means name box always shows the active cell. Here we fill the background color to column and then row, and this is the active cell. And here it is in name box. We can undo by pressing Ctrl Z and redo Ctrl Y. Let's type some text. So this text is out of cell. So keep this text in the cell. Let's change the column width. We have changed the column width. If we double click, then it will be according to the text. If we select few columns, and then we can change width of all the selected columns at once. we can change all the selected columns width by changing any selected columns width. In the same way, we can also change the height of rows. We can also right click at the column name and select column width and then can assign a column width. In the same way, we can right click on any row number and then can write any row height. In the same way, we can select multiple columns and then select column width and then change the column width. In the same way, we can change the row height. Let's type some text 1 and 2. Select both of the cells and then click and drag it and it will auto generate the series. And here we can align this to center, left or right. Now let's write month 1, and after writing month 1 we can drag and it will auto generate the numbers. If we want to delete any text of the cell, then select the cells and press the delete button. Let's write month name January, February and select the Jan and Feb and then just like this. Now write the month and year. And here you can see that it has returned the year with all of the months. Let's type some numbers. Now it has formatted this cell to the date format, and if we want to write a number here, so we have to change the format cell. For this, right click the cell and choose format cell. And here we have various categories: journal, number, currency, accounting, date, time, percentage, fraction, scientific, tax, special, custom. For the selected cell, we are selecting number and then press OK. And it changed the format of the cell. Let's apply some formula here. I am pressing up key, plus and up, and it summed all of the numbers. We can also sum all of these values by giving a range using a function sum. And if you want to see that what formula is applied on which cell, click on formula and then show formula. It will show all the formulas. We can also apply formula to all of the cells. And here you can see that it has changed the range by itself. Let's select two cells and then we can continuously change numbers by just modifying the number and pressing the enter key. Thank you very much for watching. If you want to check out more lessons like this, please subscribe the channel and like the video. And if you have any question, then leave it in comment section. See you in the next lecture. Take care. Bye bye.